The day you stop making excuses is the day your life changes. There comes a moment in every person's life when the mirror tells the truth. Not the mirror on the wall, but the one inside your heart. It asks one simple question. If you keep living exactly the way you are today, where will you be 5 years from now? For many people, that question is painful. They blame their past. They blame their family. They blame bad luck, the economy, or the people around them. Every excuse feels like a shield protecting them from failure. But what they don't realize is that the same excuses are also keeping them trapped. One day, a young man sat on the edge of his bed, exhausted by a life that never seemed to change. He realized something that changed everything. No one was coming to rescue him. The dream he wanted, the success he imagined, and the life he prayed for would only become real if he made the decision to change himself first. That day, he stopped saying, "I'll start tomorrow." He stopped waiting for the perfect moment because he understood something powerful. The perfect moment never comes. Progress begins the moment you decide that your future is more important than your comfort. The road wasn't easy. There were mornings when he wanted to quit. There were days when nothing seemed to work. But every small step forward was stronger than every excuse he had left behind. Slowly, those small steps became new habits, and those habits built a completely different life. The truth is, your biggest enemy isn't failure. It's the excuse that convinces you not to even try. So today, ask yourself, what excuse have I been holding on to? Is it fear, lack of money, lack of time, or the belief that you're not good enough? Remember this, every successful person has faced obstacles. The difference is that they refused to let excuses make their decisions. The day you stop making excuses is the day your life begins to change. Your future is created by the choices you make today, not by the reasons you give for standing still. So stand up, take the first step. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be real. Because one decision today can become the beginning of a story that inspires someone else tomorrow.